All right. So we are on late ice right now, people. And what that means is not too many trips like this are left. I'm gonna have this whole side of the lake to myself today. Nobody is out here. Temperatures are gonna be 50 degrees. Ice is gonna start getting sketchy. As of right now, everything is still locked and solid. Yesterday we had temps of 40 degrees, melted all the snow, and this week, I think for the next few days, it's going to be in the 50s. It won't be below freezing anymore. This ice is going to go quick. So, as you know, late ice is a hot bite. Always got to have your safety gear. I got spikes on my boots. I got my spud bar, which is probably one of the most important things to have. And then from there, you got to have ice spikes in case something shitty happens. This walk, I'm not so concerned about. It's when I start getting around the open water that's around the trees. You're going to start seeing spots that are open. The stuff's going to be weaker as trees are absorbing that sunlight and it radiates off of them. Just got to be smart, pay attention to your surroundings, and we should be finding some fish here pretty soon. Oh yeah, let's go, baby. So we're gonna get the flasher. So I have an Ice 35. This is the Hummingbird. Great flasher. Shallow water, deep water, does a little bit of everything. And what you got to get on here are these rod holders. They're just key to running and gunning, hole hopping. I like to have my 2 jig poles, one with a little bit different presentation. Today I'm going to be using a Widowmaker jig tipped with a itty bitty Bobby Garland, and on the other pole, what's been so hot this season, one of my crappie slayer jigs right there. So this thing is just amazing, tearing them up, slow fall, they love it, and I'm just tipping them with 2 spikes. Now this here is the, I want to say it's a 4mm. I can't remember the exact name. I think it's like crackerized or something, but that's a Widowmaker jig, and that is the Bobby Garland itty bitty, and that is lethal for crappies. So that's what we're dealing with. That's what we're going to work with today. I got my holes set up, and what I'm doing is I'm leaving the sled behind. I am taking my necessities that I need. I'm going for a limit today. I have a small amount of window of time to fish, and I am bringing something I always recommend to people. If you squat or you sit on your knees and you want to stay dry, bring a car mat, doormat, car mat. So what I'm doing here, it didn't matter last time I was out what depth I was at. It didn't matter if I was in 14 feet of water, 8 feet of water. These fish are always around 6 feet, it seems. No deeper than 8. And I don't know if that's just the way it is on this particular side or what, but I have been killing them at those depths. So I'll be in 18 feet of water and I'm just 6 feet down and I'm getting fish. So we're gonna drop in. So 14 feet of water right now. I'm gonna try the itty bitty real quick. That way I don't have to put a spike on. And oh, right there, I got something nice sitting at 5 feet. Coming down to it right now. And he's on it, just like that, guys, just like that. And that's a crappie. I've been in the water for 10 seconds. I got another one down there. So this is just a dink. He's going back. But man, you want to talk about fun? That was inhaled. That's what we're here for. Just fast action. This is a quick falling jig. But yeah, that one just, he was back on it that fast. And that's all it takes sometimes. So then I like to fluctuate. I'll go down and come back up, but for whatever the reason, they just keep coming to this 6 feet above it. He came from up top, just nailed it. There we go. That's a thicker crappie. And now I'm gonna start keeping that one there. Got a little bit of meat on them, and I like to just swap them out. So look at that widowmaker jig. That is awesome, just gone. And if I can't get this, I'm gonna use my I'm gonna have to jump over and just pop that out with my hook remover by Cold Snap. These are just badass, necessity for any ice fisherman. You get these hooks deep in there like that, you don't want to ruin the paint on the jig. You need to get that hook out. That's what you're looking for. You just do it a quick twist. And this one is way in there, guys. Top of the jaw. So that's how we're going to get started. Oh, he's on. Oh, that's a good fish. There we go. Hell yeah. That crappie was only 3 feet down, guys. And look at that. Widowmaker jig, gone. Just awesome. You know, I'm in 14 feet of water right now. I'm in 14 feet and I got these crappies, you know, in 3 feet of water all the way to 6 feet. Oh, we can with here today. So you know, this is the Bobby Garland Itty Bitty. I'm using, they call it the Slab Slayer, and just a great combo with what I'm doing today. I got one open in my pocket somewhere. I didn't want to open up another pack. There we go. Show you how I bait these up real fast. And these are great. Ever since I seen them in the store, I was like, I can never find them. I actually won a contest from Nicole Stone, and I got to pick out anything I wanted from a website called LureNet, and it was amazing. They had every Bobby Garland in stock that you could imagine. Now when I go to Shields or I go to Bass Pro and I'm looking for my stuff, for whatever the reason, it always seems like something I'm going to look for is gone. I get something similar, but I don't get what I'm looking for. I got to pick out a couple packs of these. Ooh, I just got loaded up. 8 feet on the bottom. I have multiple marks, haven't had this happen yet. Dropping down to it, and I'm going to the biggest one right in the middle at 10 foot. And we're about, oh, on the fall, guys. I couldn't even get to that 10 foot. Nice crappie. There we go. So they are in and they are hot. I'm gonna just rip that jig out real fast. Ice live well. We're gonna get back down there on the fall. Aggressive as heck. This late ice is just amazing. Yes. And here we go. There's my widowmaker. Look at that. It is getting deeper and deeper in these fish's mouths. That is awesome. They just slam these things. Oh, right below the ice. Wow. right below the ice, guys. Wow, that was crazy. Watch this. Get right above him. Oh, on it, on it. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at that slab. That is awesome, guys. Hell yes. Come, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Oh shit, hit it, I wasn't even paying attention. Nice. Inhaled it. I didn't see nothing on my screen that I could even see. That's awesome. Look at that. Down deep, baby. Got him. Yes. Calico. I'm gonna have to do a crappie count here in a second. Oh man, that was a good hit too. Big old bluegill, damn. Look at that pig. Yeah, we'll add you to the pile. Look at that. Damn. 13, 14. One more to go out, boys. I'm up for it. He's gonna get it. Got him. Another big old gill. Well, maybe that's how we polish it off. Couple big old bluegills to end it. That was weird how they just kind of came in here.